Hi guys, this is Petra at Petra Voice, and in this video we're going to be making a pizza using Central Market pizza dough, and we're going to be making it in the Crocker pizza maker. So I'm using basil, H-E-B pepperoni slices, H-E-B deli thin pepperoni slices, H-E-B deli thin provolone slices, Central Market pizza dough, and H-E-B natural cheese pizza blend. I'm also using Ragu pizza homemade style sauce. So I'm also using as a topping, after it's baked, the H-E-B 3 cheese grated Parmesan Romano and Asiago cheese. So what I did here was I opened the package of the Central Market dough and I left it open for about 20 minutes. So on parchment paper, I'm going to sprinkle some all-purpose flour. I'm going to take the dough out of the package and I'm going to knead it a bit. I didn't want to go straight into making pizza with the dough until I knead it. So I'm going to stretch it a bit and I'm going to fold it under itself repeatedly, and then I'm going to make it into a ball. All the while I'm picking up flour from the parchment just so that it doesn't get sticky. I'm showing you here how I fold it on the bottom. So I handle this for a few minutes, about 3 to 5 minutes. Once I've made the ball, I'm going to now flatten it and put some H-E-B olive oil on it and use that to help me spread it apart. Now, one of my sons was helping me make this pizza and he didn't want it to be super thin, so I didn't roll it out. What I'm doing here is just stretching it out, oil side down, on the Crocker pizza maker. I'm leaving a rim so that sauce doesn't leak out of it. I'm going to use about 3 spoonfuls of the Ragu pizza sauce. I'm going to try to spread it as thin as I can. I don't want the pizza to be soggy, so I don't put a lot of sauce on it. Then I'm going to get the really thin slices of provolone from the deli. Then I'm going to use the really thin slices of the deli pepperoni and place those thin slices over the thin sliced provolone. Then I'm going to get the shredded pizza blend and sprinkle that and spread it out gently over the top of the pizza. Then I'm going to get the H-E-B pepperoni slices and put a few of those on top of the pizza. So once I'm done with this step, I'm going to close it and plug it in. The red light turns on. That's how you know it's plugged in. This is after 4 minutes. This is after 4 more minutes. This is when I decide to put the basil leaves on top, and I'm going to sprinkle some more cheese on top because my son really wanted it to be very cheesy. I also put the roasted garlic flavored extra virgin olive oil from Texas Olive Ranch at this point. So then I'm going to wait about 2 to 3 more minutes. So I want you to see the bottom of the crust. I like it to be nice and browned on the bottom. So I'm going to take it out, put it on a cutting board, and I want you to hear the cut. Now, I advise you wait about 5 minutes before you dig into it. If you try to take it out too early, it's going to burn your fingers and the cheese is going to fall over. I add the Parmesan mixture now. Now it's ready to take a slice away. As you can see, the cheese is staying pretty much on top. There's no sauce running off the sides, and it's ready to eat. The crust is perfect. So I hope you liked this video. If you have any questions about the Betty Crocker pizza maker, let me know. We are going to make another video cooking frozen pizzas on the Betty Crocker pizza maker. I think you'll be surprised with how that turns out. Thank you for watching.